How to fix Ready or Not failed to connect to host error. One common issue, the host disconnects or crashes right before you join. Since the game uses peer-to-peer hosting, that immediately ends the match. One commenter suggested check your ping. If it's 0, you're the host. Don't leave mid-session. Second, MSI Dragon Center background issue for MSI motherboards. A notable case involved MSI Dragon Center software failing to complete an update unless ran as administrator. This prevented the LAN/Ethernet port from properly connecting, causing auto disconnection, even though public servers were joinable via Wi-Fi. Once updated, the error resolved. Third, version or DLC mismatch. Players report connection failures when joining a host with a different DLC version. If the host has newer DLC not shared with others, connection fails. This does not occur when joining someone whose DLC versions you already have. Fourth, game-side bugs or server-side issues. Many believe instability stems from server backend or pure logic flaws, particularly in early access versions. Some sessions work briefly, others fail persistently. So, my final advice, try the most effective fixes from users in this order. Verify game files, and then reboot. Then adjust firewall and VPN, switch DirectX, fix Dragon Center driver issues if relevant, ensure DLC match, and host yourself if needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.